Hello friends, in this video I will explain you that how you can upload your paperback book to Amazon KDP. So you can open like kdp.amazon.com, and here you can see I have a few books already published on Amazon, and even one of them is in the publishing status, and all of them, the next you can see, all are live. So I will show you that how exactly you can do it. So you can click on create new title or series. I have created the book. Let me show you like the interior of the book. You can see here. This is the interior of the book. The inside content you can see like the big book belong to copyrights, and then this is a coloring book actually, bold and easy, food coloring book. So we can see like when we open what would you like to create. So you can see here like we have few options including Kindle, ebook, paperback book, hardcover, and series page. So we will proceed with a paperback book as I told you in this video. In future, I have planned to start a series where I will show you how to create actually these books using different things like Book Bolt and Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, different software. Inshallah, very soon I'm gonna start a series also where I will explain everything, how you can use AI also to generate the book inside content. You can take help from AI to generate the books. So here you can see paperback. So we will click on create paperback. Now here the book title will be here. So the book title, as I told you, like this will be bold and easy kawaii food coloring book. So this can be a short title. So this can be short, and subtitle is optional but recommended. So you can use here also trending keywords. So I will type here like 50 cute and simple grocery illustrations with thick lines, and we can separate different keywords, sentences using these straight line, and then large print, relaxing pages for adults, kids, and beginners. Series is optional. If you want, you can select, and edition number is also optional. So author name you need to type here, enter the primary author or contributor. Pen names are also allowed. Note before continuing, check your spelling since this field cannot be updated after publication. So make sure you will type the correct spellings for your author name. Contributors, you can add up to 9 contributors if you want, but if you are only the author of your book, so you can leave this field, this option blank. Then we have to type description here. So I have already typed the description, so I will copy paste. I actually typed in the source. I will type as HTML, but you can type directly here, and you can, like, if you want to apply bold, so you can apply bold from here, these things here. So do you love cute art but feel overwhelmed by complex tiny details? So discover the bold and easy trend that is taking the coloring world by storm. The bold and easy kawaii food coloring book invites you on a delightful trip down the supermarket aisle, where every snack, drink, and vegetable has a charming personality and a happy face. So you will describe each and everything about the book content in your description, and especially use trending and most famous modern keywords. So that will be very good for the SEO and the visibility of your book in the search engines, and also especially in the Amazon. So why you will love this book? Because we have 50 unique grocery characters. We have bold and easy style, relaxation ready, single-sided pages. So one is blank, so it will easy for kids and adults as well to draw, to drawing, to color. because this is single side page. Perfect. This is 8.5 by 8.5 inches width and height. The trim, the page size, perfect gift for all ages. So you can see I have mentioned everything in the description of my book. Publishing rights, yes, I have owned the copyrights and I hold necessary publishing rights. Primary audience, is this sexually explicit images or title? No. If you have, reading age, that is optional. Sometimes, like you create a book, like for instance, coloring book for ages 5 to 7, then you have to select from here 5 minimum and maximum 7. But right now, this book is for adults, for kids, for beginners, for everyone. So we will leave this field also, this option blank. We will not select. This is optional. Primary marketplace, definitely Amazon.com. So now we will select categories. So let's choose categories. And here we can select, you can see different categories. This is coloring book. So we will go select like crafts, hobbies, and home. And here you can see coloring books for grown-ups. And you can select like, this one, general, humorous, this one you can select. And you can also select, for example, general, we can also select. So we can select 3 categories actually. So the third category we can select, for example, self-help and stress management. So 3 categories selected, so we can save categories. So the categories has been saved. So once we have done the categories step, the next is you need to mention if this is a low content book like journals, notebooks, or planners. But right now this is a coloring book, so we will not check this option. And this book also don't have like the font size 16 or greater, so we will also not check this option. Keywords, up to 7 keywords we need to type here related to the content of the book, as people are searching in Amazon. So like for example, these are thick lines, cozy coloring pages for anxiety relief. Make sure it should not exceed up to 50 characters. And then simple food and snack art for markers, and happy vegetable and fruit characters for children, and mindfulness activity for seniors with low vision, and cute Japanese style and Japanese style drawing for beginners, and also like chunky, static, stress-free coloring book, and large print, easy designs for relaxation. So once we have selected the keywords, now publication date, it should be release date and are the same, and release your book for sale now. You can click on save and continue. The next process, like this is the first page we have done. Now the paperback content in progress. So Amazon will allow you to get a free KDP ISBN for your book, so you can assign ISBN. If you have purchased your own, so you can click on add your own ISBN. So right now you can see ISBN has been assigned to my book. Now the print options, like my book has black and white interior with white paper, so I will select this. And the different size, like I used 8.5 by 8.5, so I will select this. No bleed I selected. So if you selected, then you can select bleed settings, bleed PDF. Matte and glossy, it's up to you. So my is matte, and upload manuscript. So now here we need to upload. And here you can see like we have the interior manuscript, the book content you will upload here. So once it upload, we will resume it. So the manuscript has been uploaded. So now we will go to the next section, that is book cover. So you can launch cover creator, and you can generate, you can create your cover here. But if you have already owned your own, so you can click on upload a cover, as I show you, like my cover. This is the cover, you can see. So we will click on upload your cover file, and the cover we will upload here. Now we will wait for the uploading process. As soon as it complete, so this has been completed. Now the next thing, like if you have used AI generated content, so you need to mention here like text, some sections, or if you have used entire work, so some sections with minimal or no editing, like Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. And images, if you used, so you can select here one or a few AI generated images, or if you have used entire, then you can select entire. So I will select one or a few, and will type here Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So we have typed for both, and if you have used more, you can type here. Translations, you can select none. If you have not used, then you can mention here. Now you need to click on the launch previewer, so it will launch the preview, and it will preview the files, fonts, each and everything, like you did correctly, everything, the margin, everything in your book cover also. So it will explain the errors if you have, and if you don't have errors, so you can proceed and you can approve your book. Now it is checking, see, cover for quality issues, all issues and all things it will check. It will identify this process and will let you know if you need to change anything. Now it is checking images quality, a lot of things. KDP is processing, checking margins and gutter size, the space, white space from top, bottom, right, left. If you used bleed, or if you didn't use bleed. So according to the bleed option, it will also check the margins and gutter. Everything it will check, and if everything is fine, then you can approve your book. I will pause the video. Now it is checking the pagination. So once it complete, I will resume. Now it is saving, and let's see everything is done. If the quality check, this process will detect any errors in your cover, in fonts, in margins, in gutter, in padding, in space, in image quality, each and everything, whatever, it will find the issue. So this left area will be, like red, it will show, and it will also mention the issues that it will detect. So you need to clear the issues, and then submit, then approve it. So right now we can see everything is done. So we can scroll, and we can see the book belongs to copyrights. Then our design single page, you can see. So each and everything is perfect. So now we can approve the book. So you can see here, approve it. So once you click on approve. So now you can see in this process, we have approved it. Okay. Now everything is done in this step. So we need to proceed. We need to save and continue. So everything has been done successfully. Territories, like select the territories where you have rights to sell this book, so all. And primary marketplace that we selected in the first step, Amazon.com. Now pricing, like, for this book, it should be minimum 5.68 and maximum 250. The books that are available on Amazon, they have prices like 6.99, 7.99 for these type of books, like 8.5 by 8.5 trim size, and they have like 50 designs. So you can find like 6.99. So the royalty you will get on this book per sale, like 0.66 cents you will get. So because the printing cost and the Amazon profit, after that you will get 66 cents in the main marketplace, Amazon.com. You can see other markets also. So you will get the royalty as per those currencies and sale. Now, it can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available for purchase on Amazon. So you will, by clicking publish, I confirm that I agree to and am in compliance with the KDP terms and conditions. Everything has been done perfectly. So you can click on publish your paperback book now. So it will save successfully, and now we can see our book has been submitted. So this is 6.99, the title, subtitle, the book cover, front image also showing. Your book will be checked against KDP's guidelines. During this time, you will not be able to make changes to your book. So once the passing review will done, then they will send an email after, like they have approved or not. So it can take up to 72 hours before your book becomes available on Amazon. And you can see here, now this is in the review. This is in the review, this book that I just published now. So once it will publish, it will first, once it approved, this will go in publishing status like this one, the second last that I uploaded before this. But as in publishing status, after that, it goes to live. So this was the easy and simple process to upload your paperback book to Amazon KDP. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.